Thanks for watching. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Repair Event Cycle Time, or RECT, section of the IDS Industry Insights infographic, available for free at ids-astra.com. Repair event cycle time is simply the time it takes to get a unit through the shop, calculated in days from the start date of a work order to its completion date. We then filter the data to get the average cycle times for work orders impacted by the two main bottlenecks, warranty coverage and out-of-stock parts. In this section, we are providing not just the national averages, but regional averages too. The national averages are in the dark circles, providing the average repair event cycle time for all work orders reviewed, work orders with any warranty coverage, work orders with at least one part out of stock, the average work order count per dealership so you can get an idea of volume, and the percentage of work orders affected by warranty coverage and out of stock parts. The averages for the regions, which are the same as the U.S. Census regions, are reflected by the bars at the bottom. They also include the average repair event cycle time for all work orders in those two main bottlenecks. This allows service and parts managers the ability to see how their cycle times compare to other dealers facing those same issues they are. RECT has been a major challenge for the industry for many years and will continue to be a challenge for dealers across the country. If you're not tracking your repair event cycle times, now is the time to start. Knowing your cycle times and how they compare to national and regional averages can help dealers identify strengths and weaknesses in their service processes, providing the ability to effect change. Data is like gold, mine it often. Remember, the IDS Dealership Industry Insights is a free infographic, so download your copy today with the link below and click that subscribe button so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Thanks and have a great day.